Hey guys, what? You want to see my new power? Sure. What is it? Well, I haven't really tested it yet, but I just found out that I have the power to make everything massive. Oh, really? Can you make me bigger than I already am? Sure. Wait, what? Why am I not bigger? I don't know. What happened? Did you raise your telephone pole? Yep. That must have been it been reflecting. Oh, well, let's see what it reflects. So what are we gonna do, guys? Let's see. Hello, Kevin and Carl. What happened to you? I don't know. Wait, what happened to him? Wait, did you guys shrunk or did we become massive? You guys became massive. Oh. Wow. So does that mean that you're really massive? That you can be stronger? I don't know. Let's see. Hey, you saw that? We're so tired. Lazy. Shut up or I'll explode too. Sorry. Yo, claud. What? You doing a good job? Yep. Hey, good. I'm gonna take a breath. Bye. Hey, Bill. What? There's a gargantuar here. Let's go defeat him. Oh. Let's go. Banana. Oh. What? I just got hit by a banana? Yo, Gus. What? Burn him. Roar! What? Am I having a headache? Can stop me now. You sure about that? Raw! Yes, I'm sure. Oh, it's up to me. What the? You betraying me? It's up to you and me now. We'll see about that. Nah, neither's on you. Nope. Boom, boom. How I am unstoppable. Whoa!